Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. I appreciate you all being here. I am showing you the water setup in my no-build minivan camper. So let's get right into it. I carry 8 gallons of water with me at all times. And this is where I store it. I have 2 3-gallon jugs of water, which is these blue jugs that you see. They're really handy because they have a nice handle and they're super easy to just take in and out. Then in front of the 3-gallon jugs, as you can see, I have a 1-gallon sitting right there. So I have my 2 3-gallon jugs and then 2 1-gallon water jugs fit right in front of it. I like to hang on to the 1-gallon water jugs because they're much easier to maneuver. Now you might be wondering what I do with all of this water, how I use it and use my sink, and the answer is by way of an electric water dispenser. So this, complete with a hose, sits right on top of the water jugs, and then it gives me a pour. So if you just, well, I'll show you here. So if you unscrew the cap, put the hose on your electric water dispenser, which you can get one of these for $10 on Amazon. Of course, the link will be in my description. You just set it on top, and then you have an electric water stream. I have a little hose for it, but it's put away right now. So that's what I do with my water. And then, of course, I have the collapsible sink right here from Amazon or Walmart that has the drain, and that's what I use with my water. So actually, let's go ahead and set up the water so you can see the stream. Okay, so here's the electric water dispenser now with the hose attached to it. Oh my word. There we go. Okay, so it just sits on there. If you have 5-gallon jugs, these work on the 5-gallon jug as well. And then you just press it on. The water comes out. And then press it to turn it off. And that's it. Okay, so then when I'm done using the water on my kitchen table or picnic table or wherever I'm using it, I store the electric dispenser and put my jug right in at my passenger seat. Now that you've seen my incredibly simple, inexpensive, no-build water setup for my minivan camper, I hope that you found this video helpful. And I also want to say that these 3-gallon jugs in the front seat, they fit, but the 5-gallon jugs will not. So these were the perfect solution, and I actually found these 3-gallon jugs at Fry's Marketplace in Arizona, but they are the Food City brand. So it was kind of lucky that I happened to find the 3 gallons, but they work out really well, so I highly suggest them if you're looking for a simple water solution. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and Winston and I will see you next time.